do some calls of the day now. Toast, cut to neutral. Was at buy at D.A. Davidson. They take the price target down to 38 from 44. See it's from 44 to 38. You see it's sitting at 38. What's your take here? As you own the stock, it's down 13% this month, and here we are just, what, 5 days in?
Yeah, it is one of my biggest winners of 2024. Obviously, I like it better at 43 than I do at 38, but I have a trailing stop in here. I don't know if I'll get hit or not, but I understand the cut. The stock has gone crazy this year. If you look at where this thing was trading in September, $20, so it doubled. And I get the idea of locking in something that the analyst was right about. I don't trade that way. I'm not really listening to this, but if I end up selling, it'll be because it's breaking down.
All right, Abbvie, overweight, the call today at Morgan Stanley. What do we think, Bill Baruch? It's down 13% since the election, and we have a lot of focus on healthcare, and I'll ask Liz about that in a second, but your take on Abbvie.
Yeah, they did make an acquisition for a drug that did not do well, and that took it down. But I want to focus on Skyrizi and Rinvoq and even the revenues they've gotten from Humira. I think that really lays the groundwork for this stock to continue to do really well. The legacy drug, Humira, has done well, and the revenues that they've seen from these up-and-coming ones have beat. We like the name. In fact, we use the sell-off as a little opportunity to increase our exposure. And I think it's going to take time, though, but it's going to be a little bit of a headwind for the administration as well, and the questions that will result, as we discussed earlier, about the first half of the year.
Liz, what about this space? I mean, you heard Angelica with the update as it relates to, some of the vaccine-related companies, pharma stocks, I should better say. What's your take here?
Look, I mean, I think there's a lot of bad news baked into the sector already, and sometimes when there's so much bad baked in, it's time to think about stepping in. So if we get into 2025 and some of these policies that are anti-healthcare don't come to fruition, you could see what would be considered a repricing back upward. The other thing is that I want people to keep in mind earnings growth in healthcare. If we're talking about fundamentals leading what stocks do, earnings growth in healthcare is expected to be pretty good in 25. In fact, the second best sector in the index. So keep that in mind. And you also want to keep in mind, if people are looking for other options to find growth, healthcare is one of those spaces in pharma and biotech, although maybe more further down the cap spectrum.
Berkshire Hathaway today, target goes to 510 from 470, reiterated buy at Argus. We believe that some of the $325 billion cash hoard will eventually be used to invest in a distress situation, either an industry or individual company. What do you think of that?
I think it'll be exciting to see that happen, because what we've been watching is this company effectively building up what looks like a central bank's worth of reserves. I understand that Mr. Buffett is in his 90s and not necessarily eager necessarily to do something, but it remains to be seen if the team comes to him with something that's worth doing. It takes a lot to move the needle here at Berkshire now. So even if they did like a $5 billion investment in a new company and people are surprised about it for one day, it's not really going to make a difference to the share price at Berkshire. It's very unlikely that there's going to be another position that could become as large as Apple. So if you're long the name, you should be long it because it's a great insurance company with a lot of industrial assets. You should not be long the stock because you think they're about to pull off some sort of like trade of the century.